Add a favicon, or also known as a browser icon, making your site recognizable in a browser full of tabs or bookmarks. To add a favicon, navigate to the favicon panel. Click and drag an image from your computer into the upload box. Or, click the box to select a file to upload from your computer. You can also add an alternative version of your favicon that displays when your visitors view your site in dark mode. It's not possible to add a dark mode favicon without first adding a default favicon. Favicon images work best when formatted as .png file and sized between 100 pixels by 100 pixels and 300 pixels by 300 pixels, though they display at 16 pixels by 16 pixels. After your favicon image uploads, click Save. After adding a new favicon image, we recommend clearing your browser cache and restarting your browser to see the favicon update, as browsers can be very persistent in holding on to cached favicon. Let us know if you have any further questions. We're always here to help.